Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your health tracking with Fitbit, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale your health tracking with Fitbit, start by selecting the right Fitbit device for your needs. Evaluate the features of each model, such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and GPS capabilities. Once you have your Fitbit, download the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, set up your profile by entering personal details like age, weight, and fitness goals. Sync your Fitbit device with the app using Bluetooth for seamless data tracking. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the different health metrics available. Set specific health goals within the app, such as daily step targets or weight loss objectives. Utilize the exercise mode to track workouts accurately by selecting the type of exercise you are doing. Incorporate the sleep tracking feature by wearing your device while you sleep. Check the app regularly for insights and trends related to your activity levels and sleep patterns. Adjust your daily goals based on feedback from the app and your progress. Consider connecting your Fitbit account to other health or fitness apps for a more comprehensive overview. Engage with Fitbit's community features to find motivation and support from other users. Explore additional features like guided breathing exercises and nutrition tracking for a holistic approach to health. Consistently review your data to identify areas for improvement and keep your health goals on track. Stay updated with any software updates within the app to enhance your tracking experience. As you progress, re-evaluate your goals to ensure they align with your evolving health journey. Take regular breaks from your screen and prioritize overall well-being alongside your tracking efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your health tracking using Fitbit and gain valuable insights into your wellness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.